Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about creating product variation bundles to grow sales and keep customers coming back. Let's get into it. Creating product variation bundles is a powerful way to increase sales and keep customers coming back. Instead of forcing customers to search for individual products across your store, you can combine complementary items into one bundle, making it easier for them to purchase everything they need in one go. This is particularly useful when you're selling products that are often used together or that customers typically buy at the same time. Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine you sell various types of balloons. You could create a bundle where customers can buy multiple colors of balloons in one set instead of buying each color separately. This not only increases the convenience for the customer, but also boosts the average order value because they're buying more from you in one transaction. Now, it's important to note that bundling doesn't mean you have to stop selling individual items. You can still offer each product separately, but creating a bundle gives customers the option to buy everything they need at once. For instance, if you have a refill pack of balloons in different colors, you can create a bundle that combines all the colors into one set, while also keeping the individual SKUs for each color available for those who prefer to buy just one. One of the main benefits of bundling is that it reduces friction in the buying process. If a customer needs multiple items like a bleed kit and a burn refill kit, for example, but they can't find them together on the same page, they might end up buying from a competitor. By offering bundles, you make sure that the customer can purchase everything they need in one place without having to go elsewhere, which increases your chances of securing the sale. To create these bundles, it's fairly simple. You just need to add a new SKU that represents the bundle of products you're offering. For example, if you're selling balloons, you could create a balloon bundle that includes 5 different colors. You can then keep the individual color SKUs for those who want to buy only one color. This creates flexibility for the customer and gives them the choice to buy what fits their needs. Ultimately, the key to creating successful bundles is understanding what your customers need and making the buying process as easy as possible for them. By offering bundled products, you increase your chances of getting a sale, reduce the risk of losing customers to competitors, and build loyalty by making the shopping experience more convenient. The beauty of bundles is that they work for both you and your customers, creating value on both sides. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com, like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.